As we prepare to transfer a lot of the content that we once stored on Blackboard into our Teams courses, we wanted to have a basic plan of how we could almost basically take a picture of what is here on Blackboard, so when we go to replicate that, we have a template to use. So here I have just a basic course pulled up. This is an Algebra 2 course. You can see there's a lot on here just in one little particular area. But now that I've navigated through this here, in fact, I'll back up a little bit so that you can see how to get there. I go into just general content. You can see I went into Unit 1, into Step 2, and that's where I am on this page. So if I want to take a picture of this, I can either press Control P or go up to the upper right-hand corner here to these 3 ellipses and click on Print. I'm basically just printing this web page. I can print it out on paper, which is fine, but I can also just print it to a PDF first, which is what I'm going to do, so that I will have all my pages stored on my computer and then print them as I need. I want to also make sure that it's set on portrait, and then I want to go down to more settings and select 2 pages per sheet because it will print smaller, but I can see just fine that way. That way, if you have a lot of content, usually you can fit it all right here on this one page. I'll say print. Then I need to decide where to put these. So under my documents, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Blackboard Pages. And then this would be Algebra 2, Step 2, or whatever you'd need to call it so that it's easily recognizable. From here, all I'd need to do is either open it up on my computer, or I could go ahead and print that out, and then I would have a paper copy. This might be ideal, particularly if there are courses that you don't need to create for this upcoming school year of 22-23, but you might want to have that available for future years, and you might need to get that off of Blackboard right now. So you can see I have it right here, a picture of what it looks like now, and I can use that to make sure that I have all the correct files and video links in place on my new learning management system.